Hi, today we're in the kitchen with Sean and I'm doing some smothered okra and shrimp. First thing I had to do was cook this okra down until all of the slime is removed completely out of it. In frying it, I add a little vinegar and a little flour and it actually cooks all of the slime out of it. Now that I have the slime out, I'm going to set it to the side. And I have this pot, which I'm going to put some basic seafood stock. If you have some shrimp heads, you can boil your shrimp heads, which I added that water to the pot and a little seafood stock. To that, I'm going to add all of the okra that I fried. Just make sure when you fry your okra, all of the slime is out. And again, I add a cap full of vinegar and a tablespoon of flour, and I stir until all slime is completely out. Okay. Now, to that, which is my seafood stock and the okra, I add some seasoning, garlic, onion, bell pepper. And I let that simmer. From there, you can add all of your own seasonings. Use nature seasoning, shrimp seasoning, onion, garlic, all of your seasons that you like using. When I make dishes that have seafood in it, I also add a little Old Bay, which is good for seafood dishes. Stir and let it cook. And I'm going to add sausage, crab, shrimp. That's once it's cooked. Smothered okra. Let that cook and simmer. Okay, y'all, Sean back in the kitchen again. Now that I've let this okra cook down, in the oven I had my hot sausage, which I rolled into balls. I'm going to pour that in, grease and all that flavor, nothing but stock. I just added some smoked sausage to it, and I'm going to stir that. Now some people use ham seasoning, but personally I don't like ham seasoning, so I buy Better Than Bouillon ham base, and I add a spoon of that. Tablespoon it says. Right to it. Mix that all up in it. I've added onion, garlic, Old Bay, little Tony's. You season it to your own flavor and likings. Still looks a little thick, it does. Okay. Now the last thing I'm going to add is my shrimp. And I, of course, use boiled crabs. You don't have to use boiled crabs. But me personally, more flavor. Now, I use ragu chunk. Which I add in. And it's only half of it. I didn't use the entire jar. I used half. I don't want it too tomatoey. Oh goodness. When I add the tomato, I add a little sugar. Gets the bitter taste out. I'm going to add a little water. some little sugar in there. Just a little bit. Now it's ready for me to add my seafood to it. Once I add that seafood, shrimp. To it. Cook down in it. Add that crab. And check back with me when it's all done so you can see what it tastes like, what it looks like. Cooking with Sean. Alright, back in the kitchen, cooking with Sean. And I have just completed my pot of smothered okra. Look at the texture, the consistency. Everything is added. All of the seafood is cooked in. It's served with some white rice. Try it. Smothered okra and shrimp. Thank you again, Cooking with Sean in her kitchen.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Double and toes, you heard?